Hey everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I am Bill the Drunken Sailor, and as you can see, we're not in the bar. We are actually downstairs. We are outside. It's a beautiful sunny Florida day, and I have with me the lovely Kim. And we've got a cocktail for you today that is fruity, refreshing, except what?
The fruit tastes so good with it.
We are making a white sangria. So, let's take a sip. And now what I think it's time to do is go upstairs to the bar and let's show you how we make this amazing summertime white sangria. We'll see you upstairs in a minute.
You're gonna love it.
All we need for this cocktail is some peaches, some pears, some oranges, some apples, some raspberries, some blackberries, some strawberries, some grape juice, some elderflower liqueur, and the star of the show, Moscato d'Asti. So, let's get chopping. Through the magic of video, we've got all our fruit chopped up. As I said, we've got pears, we've got apples, we've got oranges, we've got strawberries, we've got raspberries, we've got blackberries, we've got peaches. We got a lot of fruit in here. But let's put this off to the side first because it is a sangria. So we need to put a little bit of liquid inside this. I'm actually going to start with some honey syrup. We want to sweeten it up just a little bit. And I'm going to put in there about 2 ounces. And this is equal parts of honey and water. We're going to follow that up with our elderflower liqueur. You've heard me say it 1,000 times. Everything gets better with elderflower liqueur in there. We're going to put 4 ounces in there. I'm going to follow that up with 4 ounces of white grape juice. Today, I'm using that perennial favorite, Welch's. And that's going in our pitcher. I want to give this a quick stir right now. We're just going to kind of incorporate that. Just a real quick stir in there. That honey syrup was a little bit thick, so we want to make sure that that's fully incorporated. Now it's time to make this healthy. Is it a sangria? Is it a boozy fruit salad? We're just going to start piling fruit inside there. And see the blackberry in there. Let's put a couple more in there. That's plenty of fruit in there. That's way healthier than I'm used to seeing. And now we're going to put in there some of that Asti di Moscato. Now, normally what we want to do is we're going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. We're going to give those fruit flavors a chance to infuse themselves. Look at that. I want to give that one more quick stir. Going to mix those fruits up. Like I say, this is a fruit salad in a pitcher. This is Drunken Sailor style if I've ever seen it. So, we're almost in the home stretch. Well, it's been sitting for about 15 minutes, so if you don't remember, this is Kim, and she's been dying for me to make this. So let's give this a pour. And I think what I'm going to do the next time is we're going to put a spoon in here to get some of this grapefruit salad in there.
Yep.
Because this is the Drunken Sailor's fruit salad. Now, what I want to do is just top this off with a little bit of seltzer water. And here we go. She's been waiting for this.
I have.
And here we go, our white sangria. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my God. It's delicious.
Have I got to make these all summer long now?
Yes, definitely. These are good.
There you go, folks. The boss says it's good. The director says it's good. The producer says it's good. The design coordinator says it's good. It's got to be good. Cheers, everybody. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and we're going to see you at the next cocktail.
Bye.
Bye-bye.